Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today episode we'll be making some vegetable chicken stir fry, and if today is your first time on this channel, you're very much welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you all for coming back again. So guys, without wasting much of your time, we'll go ahead and jump right into this recipe for today, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Alright guys, before we continue, I'll go ahead and introduce the ingredients for today to you guys. So here I have all the peppers. I'll be using the orange pepper, the yellow pepper, the red one, and the green bell pepper. And to that I'll be adding some chopped up carrots. So you can use whatever vegetable you have. You don't have to use all of these vegetables that I'm using. Yes, you can use whatever you have available. So to that I'll be adding some mushroom. Yes, I'll be adding few mushroom, and I'll be adding some onions, chopped up onions, and the last but not the least, I'll be adding some broccoli. Yes guys, and in this little bowl that I have right here, I have a mixture of 3 soy sauce. So first one is the oyster sauce. I'll be adding oyster sauce, and I'll be adding black sesame oil. So the last one sorry, the next one is soy sauce. I actually have 4, so I'll be adding teriyaki sauce as well. So I have 4 soy sauce mixture in that bowl. So I have my garlic and ginger. So this is the garlic, and I'll be adding some ginger as well. I'm not going to be using all of that. I'll just take as much as I want. And I have black pepper that I'll be adding, and salt to taste. Of course, we need salt. Yeah. So the last but not the least, the chicken. So we'll be adding some chicken. I already chopped them up to the size that I want it to be. So feel free to chop yours to your preferred size. So guys, let's get cooking. All right, so here I have my pan, and I have some oil that I already preheated, already ready to go. So I'll go ahead and add the chicken. I already washed them very well, so I'll go ahead and separate them in a single layer as much as I could. So you want them to be just in a very single layer. You don't want them laying over each other, so I try as much as I could. So after that I added some garlic powder, ginger, ground ginger. Then right now I'm adding garlic powder as well. So after that I'll go ahead and then add some black pepper. I love black pepper. They're not really spicy. For me, they're not really that spicy, so I'm so generous with it. So you can add as little or as more depending on the quantity of what you're making. So I'll go ahead and stir them up like back and forth until I get the brown taste that I'm looking for. So before that I added some salt to taste. Yeah, so it's getting close to what I want, so I keep stirring that up and down till I have this good looking brown, golden brown color. So I'll go ahead and scoop that out in a little bowl. So at this point you might be so tempted to start eating this chicken because they taste so good and smell so amazing. So after I scoop that out, take a look. It looks so nice and so juicy as well. It's not dried at all. So I'll go ahead and switch my pan and put my wok on the stove and pour the oil that I used to fry the chicken back into the wok. So you want to make sure that you roll them over so they don't start burning or sticking. So once that is done, I add my broccoli, my onions, and as well I added my carrots. So I added these hard vegetables first because I don't want to overcook the other one. So I set this off for like about 20 seconds 20 to 25 seconds. Then after stirring them up for 25 seconds, then I went ahead and add my vegetables, which is the red, green, yellow, yeah, I just went ahead and add all of that, and I keep stirring them for another 20 seconds. Yes, because you don't want to overcook these vegetables. So after 20 seconds again, I added my chicken, and I also added my mushroom, and I'm adding the mushroom last because mushroom can be very easy to be cooked. So the final one, I added the garlic and ginger. This brings this, guys, to the next level. If you want to try this, give it a try, guys. So after stirring everything up for like about a minute, nothing more than that, so I added my soy sauce mixture, and I added a tablespoon of the cornstarch to thicken it up. Guys, I'm so sorry, I didn't know that my camera was off when I added the soy sauce. So guys, that's it. So this is the rice that I just made like a few minutes ago, that I'll be enjoying myself and my family with this delicious fried rice and vegetable chicken stir fry. Yes. So guys, what I was saying, look at that, it looks so amazing. Everything looks so crunchy. It's not overcooked at all. So I cooked this like total time like 2 minutes. I cooked this for the total time of 2 minutes. Yes, because the chicken was already fully cooked. Yes. So guys, so I didn't know my camera was off when I added the soy sauce. Yes, I didn't know it was off, but when I realized, I'm like, okay, that's fine. I'll just let you guys know what happened. So I added, sorry about the noise, my kids are just all over the place. So like I said before, I added 1 teaspoon, thereabout, to thicken the soy sauce up before adding it to these vegetables. So guys, look at that, looks so amazing. You can eat this vegetable stir fry just like that on its own. If you're on a weight loss journey or trying to lose weight, you can just eat it that way, or you can eat it with your white rice just like that, looking amazing, right? Or you can as well have this together with your fried rice just like that. So it was so fun for me making this recipe today, and my family enjoyed it as much as I did. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe today as well, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I hope you guys stay safe, wash your hands, do all the stuff that you're supposed to be doing on this hard time, this coronavirus time. We all have to stay safe so we can go through this together. So guys, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.